Okay, so today we are going to learn to multiply binomial using the area method. But before we do some example, we are going to learn how to read area tile. So, as you can see here, we have a area tile as 1 and 1. So the area of this is 1 times 1, which give us 1. And then right here, we have the area tile as x times 1. So area is x times 1, which is just x. And then the bottom right here, we have the area tile as x times x. So area x times x, which equal to x squared. So that's how you read it. Now let's do an example. So right here we have example to use area method of x plus 2 times x plus 1. So first I'm gonna draw out my area tile. Let's see. So we have x plus 2. So this here represent x plus 2. And then now we're going to draw the x plus 1. So x plus 1. So now we are going to so we have x right here. This is 1, this is x, this is 1, and this is 1. So we're going to do x times x. That's x squared. So we have an x squared. And then we do x plus 1. That's just x times 1. Okay, now we do 1 times x. That's just x. 1 times 1. That is 1. 1 times x. That's x. And 1 times 1. That's 1. So as you can see here, now we're going to add up all the blue. So we have an x squared. And how many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do plus 3x. Oops, I made a mistake. This is 1 times 1. This is supposed to be a 1 instead of an x. And then now we have 2. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So our answer is x squared plus 3x plus 2. So that's our answer. Now go ahead and try by yourself to do this one. So for this one, we have we have x plus 3 and x plus 2. So go ahead and try to draw out the area model by yourself first. So this is what you should have. This represent x plus 3. We have an x right here. And we have 3 square of 1. And on the top, we have x plus 2. Okay, now let's go ahead and solve it out. So again, we have x times x just this big square, x2. X times 1, that's just x. X times 1, that's just x. Now we have 1 times x, which is x. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, that's another 1. 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times another 1 is 1. 1 times x is x. 1 times 1, 1 times 1, another 1. And so now we're just going to add all of them together. So as you can see here, we have an x squared. So x squared. And how many x's do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So plus 5x. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So that is our answer. So now this is just a reflection. But how can we use algebra tile, just like what we did a few minutes ago, to multiply x minus 2 and x plus 3? So go ahead and think about that.